Jordan from Jordan's Easy Entertaining here, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas, where some of my blogger friends and I are sharing Christmas ideas to help you get ready for your holiday entertaining. Today, we are all sharing tutorials on DIY Christmas decorations. So I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut machine to cut out some vinyl and apply it to a tray like this. It's perfect for serving up drinks at your holiday party. To my blog, jordanseasyentertaining.com, where you can find the Cricut Design Space project link, more instructions, materials list, and links to the other DIY projects from Parties with a Cause, Join the Commonplace, and Bella Gray Designs. But while you're over at Jordan's Easy Entertaining, don't forget to enter my Christmas giveaway. I'm giving away a rose gold cake stand just like this one to one lucky winner who is 18 or over and lives in the US. You can enter every single day of the 12 Days of Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I hope to see you for the rest of the ideas. Bye!